Hi friends, in this video we will learn about instance of keyword. Instance of is a keyword in Java used to find the object variable is an object of given class or not. So the syntax will be object variable name and instance of it is a keyword and class name. So this is gonna return boolean value. If this object variable name is instance of this particular class name, then it will be returning true. If it is not, it will not return true, it will be returning false. Let's see an example here. I have a animal, does not have any methods. I have a dog that extends animal and doesn't have anything. I have a cat that extends animal and does not have anything. I have a utility class. That utility class has a method called get animal, so it is gonna give animal object. That means when we make a call to the get animal, it is gonna return animal object. But what object it is returning? If you see the implementation, it is like dynamic based on the math.random. So if it is greater than 0.5, it will be returning dog object. If it is not, it will be returning cat object. So we don't know at what time it will give dog. We don't know at what time it will give cat. So here using that util class and get animal, that is gonna return animal object here. And the requirement is like very clear. If animal contains dog, we should print bark. If animal contains cat, we should print meow. So how we can check? If this animal variable is an instance of dog, if it is a dog, then we will be printing bark. If it is not dog, I am again checking whether it is an instance of cat or not. If it is an instance of cat, then I am printing meow. Hope you understood. Let's execute. You can see it is giving bar. That means the instance came as dog. That's why it is printing bar. Got it right? Instance of keyword is used to find out whether this particular object contains this class instance or not. If you have any concerns, please make a comment. I will address it. Thanks for watching.